Welcome dear students. In this lecture we are going to discuss the classification of the enzymes. Enzymes, on the basis of the reaction type that they catalyze, they can be divided into the 6 different classes. The first one are the oxidoreductases. As the name indicates that oxidoreductases are those enzymes that catalyze the oxidation and reduction reactions. For example, dehydrogenases, D mean removal, hydrogen mean H2, and ase is a suffix which is used in the name of the most of the enzymes. So dehydrogenases are those enzymes that remove hydrogen from a certain molecule and oxidize it. And the second one are oxidases. Oxidases are those enzymes that add oxygen in a molecule and oxidize it. For example, a very famous oxidoreductase enzyme, lactic dehydrogenase, abbreviated as LDH. It is a very important enzyme which is found in the heart, kidney, and major organs of the body. It dehydrogenases lactic acid. It removes 2 hydrogen from the lactic acid, and these are those 2 hydrogens. And after the removal of these 2 hydrogens, it converts the lactic acid to the pyruvic acid. And these 2 hydrogens are used to change the NAD to NADH2. So this enzyme dehydrogenases lactic acid, and it is very important enzyme because it plays vital role in the production of energy in the cells. So it is found in the major organs of the body. Now my dear students, the second class is transferases. As the name indicates that these are the enzyme that transfer a group of atoms from one molecule to the other molecule. For example, transaminase, it causes the transfer of the amino group, NH2 group, and phosphotransferases, the phosphotransferases, they transfer the phosphate group from one molecule to the other molecule. A very famous example is that an enzyme hexokinase adds phosphate group to the glucose. This is the structure of the glucose, and there is an enzyme hexokinase. Hexokinase belongs to the group of the phosphotransferases, and it converts an ATP molecule, adenosine triphosphate, to adenosine diphosphate, and the phosphate group removed from this conversion is added to the carbon of the glucose, and the glucose is changed to glucose 6 phosphate. This is carbon number 6 of the glucose to which the phosphate group is added. So this hexokinase converts ATP to ADP, and the phosphate released in this conversion, it adds that phosphate to the 6th carbon of the glucose and converts glucose to the glucose 6 phosphate. So it is a transferase. And my dear student, this one is the general reaction which shows the working of the transferases, AX plus B. Now this X is transferred from A molecule to B molecule, and it is changed to BX plus A. So this one is a general reaction that shows the working of the transferases. The third category of the enzymes are hydrolases. As the name indicates, these are the enzymes which catalyze the hydrolytic reactions. And this one is the general representation of the working of the hydrolases. AX is the substrate that is being hydrolyzed, and that is changed to HA and XOH. A very famous example of the hydrolases is the lipase enzyme that causes the hydrolysis of the acyl glycerol. And my dear students, when this acyl glycerol is hydrolyzed, that is changed to glycerol and fatty acids. So this lipase is an example of the hydrolase that causes the hydrolysis of the acyl glycerols, means fats and oils. And my dear students, most of the digestive enzymes in our body, they are example of the hydrolases. Like proteases, they hydrolyze the proteins, lipases, they hydrolyze the lipids, and so on. Most of the digestive enzymes found in the body, they are example of the hydrolases, or they belong to the class of the hydrolases. Now the fourth category of the enzyme, that are lyases or synthases. These are the enzymes that catalyze addition or removal of groups to or from a double bond. Means they add groups to a double bond or they remove some groups from a double bond. So these are the enzymes that are called ligases or synthases. One of the examples is the pyruvate decarboxylase. Dear students, decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. So pyruvate decarboxylase will remove carbon dioxide from the pyruvic acid. So this one is the pyruvic acid and the carbon dioxide molecule is removed from this pyruvic acid. This is the CO2 which is removed and this hydrogen attached to this carbon and forms acetaldehyde. So pyruvate decarboxylase is the enzyme, pyruvic acid is the substrate and CO2 and acetaldehyde are the products of this reaction. Now the next category is isomerases. As the name indicates, these are the enzymes that catalyze those reactions in which one isomer is changed to the other isomer. For example, this one is the structural formula of the malic acid and here is the fumaric acid. Dear students, malic acid and fumaric acid, they are geometric isomers of each other. So malic acid is a cis isomer while fumaric acid is a trans isomer. And the IUPAC name of malic acid and fumaric acid is butene dioic acid or 2-butene dioic acid. So there is an enzyme which is maleate isomerase and this enzyme converts one isomer to the other isomer. So that will be an example of the isomerase. So basically isomerases either change the structure or geometry of the molecules. When they change the structure, then one isomer is changed to the other structural isomer. And when they change the geometry of an isomer, then another geometrical isomer is produced. Last one are the ligases. These are the enzymes that catalyze those reactions in which two groups are joined covalently with the use of energy from the ATP. And one of the very famous example is the glutamine synthetase. My dear student, this enzyme catalyzes the reaction in which L-glutamate is changed to the L-glutamine with the use of energy from the ATP, and NH4 positive is the group which is added to the L-glutamate to convert it into the L-glutamine, and ATP is converted to ADP with an inorganic phosphate group. So in this way, the L-glutamate is changed to the L-glutamine by the enzyme glutamine synthetase, which is an example of the ligase. So dear students, this was all about the classification of the enzymes. Take care.